Welcome to one more multi-bagger stock review from Pravisa Templetree. In this video, we will talk about a company that started its activities 150 years back, that is in 1875. What started in the name of the Native Stockbrokers Association by 5 people under a banyan tree is what is today known as the Bombay Stock Exchange or BSE. Let's look at the journey BSE went through in the last 150 years. Let's look at the business growth for BSE. BSE has 5,439 companies listed in its exchange. This number used to be around 6,500 plus a couple of years back. Government cracking down on the namesake companies in the market dropped the numbers, and today here we are. In the market, investors prefer to trade in the NSE terminal because of its technology backing, while still BSE has some good business coming to its side, and also it has an edge in the form of a lot of companies which are not listed in NSE that can be traded in BSE. Along with this, the BSE Star MF platform, where mutual funds are traded, has been widely used by the brokers and the distributor community, which is also giving beautiful business for BSE. Sales growth has been significantly, consistently negative since the time BSE got listed in the exchange, while in FY21 it turned around and went positive. Margins are still going down, somewhere from 50% it's come to 22% now. Even profits went down to reach minus 40% growth in 2020. After that, as a beautiful turnaround, profits made a recovery and came up to have 18% growth in FY21. This result was like the company was waking up from a slumber with a lot of energy. After that, BSE became a very highly sought after stock in the market. A look at the quarterly growth chart or quarterly growth numbers of the stock can give us the swiftness or the speed at which profits for BSE had grown. It had grown at 2,500 plus percentage in March 2021, and this growth comes with a lower base or a negative base the company formed in March 2020. So we have to keep in mind that this growth is not euphoric, it is because of the lower base the stock had last year. For the continuity of the uptrend that stock is having, BSE has to maintain its profit growth, unless if it is failing there, stock might start correcting down. Exchange business is something unique in our country. We will not have more competition coming in this business because regulators will not allow further new exchanges coming up in our country. As it is, we have 5 exchanges in our country, and among them NSE and BSE both garner the maximum business. With the awareness of stock investing coming into Indian public of late, the business is likely to grow manifold. Keeping this big opportunity, looks like BSE can be had in an investor's portfolio even for a longer term. After March 21 results, BSE went up above 90 on its profit growth rank in the market. When a company moves to the top rank, the stock becomes most sought after in the market and price keeps going higher and higher. The same happened to BSE stock also. After it qualified on the top ranking on its earnings, stock price started going up pretty fast, and along with that it also pulled the price rank. We can see at the right edge on this chart how beautifully the rankings have played out in taking the price up. First, earnings rank goes up, then it pulls the stock price up, and along with that price rank also goes up, and all of them are perched to the top now. Investing into top ranking stocks helps us grow our wealth pretty fast. A value add. In India, we have 2 depositories. The depositories where financial securities are stored in electronic form. One is CDSL and second one is NSDL. Among these 2, CDSL is owned by BSE, where it has 20% stake in the company, and this stake is today valued at 2,000 crores. CDSL is also a top ranking stock which has doubled in its stock price in the last 8 to 9 months, and it has been doing extremely good in its business, having lot of businesses which is exclusive for the company alone, which is bringing big growth for the company also. BSE is a stock that is having wide retail ownership in its shareholding. BSE is a small market cap stock which is about 4,000 crores now. Hence, institutional investors are not very prominent in this stock as of now. Probably as it goes up further, maybe they will get attracted. Among mutual funds, Tata Small Cap and Canara Robeco Small Cap have some small exposure or significant exposure of BSE in their portfolio. If we invest into top ranking stocks, we end up having big returns. Similarly, when a mutual fund in its scheme has more exposure to top ranking stocks as a whole, it ends up beating its category on its returns and also gives fantastic gains to its investors. So, investing into schemes that have top ranking stocks will help us make big returns from mutual funds too. In this manner, Tata Small Cap and Canara Robeco Small Cap can be looked at for investing for excellent gains in the coming months. After BSE stock went up in March 21, after the results, stock had a beautiful turnaround. In this chart, we have clipped the whole period of BSE's listing from the time it got listed till now. It was for a reason, to show that how bad the stock has been performing after its listing, which happened at 1069. Even now, the price is not gone above that level yet. I have taken this to show what happens in the IPO frenzy. People just think that get sentimental or connected with the name and put money into IPOs, thinking that they can make fast bucks and get out. That is not the right way to invest, and most of the times they get stuck with underperforming stocks. Here, when I talked about this and saw the picture, I realized one real event that happened recently in my career itself. When Coffee Day got listed, there were a lot of people wanting to invest in Coffee Day just because of some sentiments, emotions. Some people were telling that my business started in Coffee Day. Some went into the length of my life, my love story started in Coffee Day. So I want to invest in this stock. I told, don't be emotional and sentimental when it comes to investing, because you are coming here to make money. Today, all of us know where Coffee Day is. So just because of names, don't jump into stocks for investing. Do your analysis. Get to know what is the strength. Only if there is strength in the stock, put your money into it. So that being one side. So BSE, after its listing, only kept going down for 4 years. Now, after profits came in its balance sheet, we can see how beautifully there was a breakout in the stock, and stock has been going up significantly now. Only if companies make profits, stocks will go up. If not, for other rumors and news, it will only do some small up and down movements, which will only create problems to investors. As of now, the strength the stock has built up is pretty strong. It has potential to go up further, only if results support. I have been talking about result support for this stock in this video several times. There is a reason for it also. If results don't support, be very cautious to take exit from the stock if you are owning it. Even if you are buying, keeping the strength in mind, always keep watching on the result. Result, if it continues to go well, stock will keep doing well. If it fails, it will turn down. Get out and book profit. The moment we get to know of a stock that is doing well, the first question that goes into our mind is, can I buy this stock now? For BSE, after it qualified into rank and stock price went up big time, it is now at overbought levels, far higher in extreme higher price levels. So it's good to wait for a correction. If the stock comes below 800, that's a beautiful price to buy the stock. Analysts have been recommending a target of 1060 for BSE in the coming days. So if someone buys at 800, the target of 1060 will give them more than 30% returns. So investing into top ranking stocks and staying as soon as they come into ranking and staying with them till the time they complete their journey will help us make big profits on our investments. So if you are interested to have a rank report to identify stocks that qualify and run up for you to invest, you can subscribe to the report by joining our discussion group. And to join the discussion group, send a WhatsApp request to the contact given in the description or at the end of the video. Thank you. Happy journey investing with the stock exchange itself.